Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create TikTok account. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Play Store and search for this TikTok. After that, you have installed this app. I am already installed. And go back your home screen and open your TikTok app. You as can see, tap on agree and continue and type on skip and type on start watching. Type on profile icon and type on sign in and type on use phone number and Gmail. Tap on this and select your phone number and type on send code. After few seconds, TikTok team send your code and select your birthday and type on next and select your password. You make sure that select your password 8 chapters, 1 letter and 1 number and 1 special chapter. For example, this. Select anyone, tap on this and tap on next and confirm your nickname and tap on confirm. After that, your account was created. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.